Here we come to the elevators at the Hotel ZaZa in Houston, Texas. I have to talk over that music, and this is going to be an updated take on these elevators here. These used to be Otis, but it got modernized with your Atom Survivor vandal-resistant fixtures, and I'm going to have to go ahead and mute the audio to avoid getting a copyright. Alright, here's the elevator right here. Wow, this cab is beautiful, wow. And this used to be an Otis elevator, so we're gonna go down to lower level. It's a little bit low light in here. Yeah, it's kind of low light. Hopefully we're not gonna be making like millions of stops, because this thing's pretty busy. 12? Oh, it works. We're at 12. I'm gonna try to get a good view of that Otis sign. Here's your Otis nameplate right there. Anyways, I think somebody called it, so I think we're gonna go ahead and end it at 1. This is a nice elevator, but it's kind of small. Yep, we are definitely stopping. Come here. Hi. You want 1?
2.
Oh, okay. Oh, you get a much better view of the Otis sign on the light. That is a much more better view. Oh, great, there is music. So we're gonna get back inside the elevator quick and close up the door and head back down. The guest floors are key card off, but luckily the 12th floor, this, and this are luckily unlocked, so you're still able to ride, especially the 12th floor. Anyways, here we are, and we got people, so there you go. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
7.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and watch it close. All right, there it goes, and that will be it.